and welcome back to my channel. I just woke up, as you can tell by my voice, if you can, and by my bloated looking ass face. But in today's video, I wanted to do something natural and just really quick. I am going out today, so I just wanted to do something quick and easy and natural, you know, because it's raining today and we don't want like a full face beat on because we don't want to get rained on. So yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and we'll be back. Okay, so the brows are on. Today I'm gonna go in with the Tale as Old as Time palette. This is by Lorac, the one inspired by Beauty and the Beast. It's so cute. So you just open it up, I guess, or it just opens itself up. So this is how it looks inside. It has like a mirror right here, super cute. And then the shadows over here, and then the brush that comes in it goes right here. So here are the shades. It has like, you know, the bookmark thing. But here are the shades. In here, it's actually really, really pretty. It's called TikTok, and it's just a really natural, I'm just gonna use the brush that it comes with. It's just a really light taupey brown. But I'm just gonna, put this in my crease as my transition color. And then right on top of it, I'm going to go in with the shade Romance. I'm going to go right on top of the lid with this color, all over the lid. And then I'm just going back in with the TikTok shade and kind of blend it out. And I'm going to do liner, but not liquid liner or gel liner, so it won't look too harsh. We're going to use black eyeshadow to do our liner. So I'm just going to grab some tape, whatever tape you have lying around. And we're just gonna place it here. I'm actually not gonna go in with a black. I'm gonna go in with a dark brown just to keep it more natural. So I'm taking the Tartelette in Bloom palette by Tarte. And I'm gonna take the middle shade. I'm gonna take the middle shade right here. And we're gonna create a wing with this. So this is what we have so far. I'm gonna go back in with the darker brown color and just pack it on a little bit more over my lid. So now that we're done with the face, I'm gonna go back to doing the eyes. For the lower lash line, we're going to use the exact same colors that as we did in the eye. I'm going to take that brown color. And then I'm going to blend it out with that taupey color. And now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the shade Dream It in the Beauty and the Beast palette. Right here, the white one. Damn, so pretty. And, super pigmented. So now I'm taking my Rimmel Nude Liner. And I'm just going to do my bottom waterline. Just to open up the eyes a little bit. And then I'm also taking the Rimmel black eyeliner and just gonna outline the top. Then I'm just taking some mascara, Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So good, I'm gonna say it each time. So I popped on some lashes, and these are the Morphe Romancing lashes. You gotta go check it out because these lashes are bomb.com. They looked really natural on their picture on the website, but they're really pretty. So yeah, so the eyes are done. Let me just go ahead and set with the All Nighter Spray by Morphe. I mean, by Morphe, by Urban Decay. We cannot have this moving everywhere, okay? We just gotta keep it in place. So for lips, I'm going in with the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Flurries. And, you know the drill. Just gonna apply it on. That concludes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post many videos on there as well as lots of pictures. A lot of mini IG tutorials on there that are not on my YouTube. And also, like, you know, you get a little preview of what I'm uploading for that day. So I hope you guys liked this look right here, and I'll see you guys next time.